You also spoke about the intense love story that Bajirao shares with Mastani. Also, the point where Mastani is ready to sacrifice everything for Bajirao.
Yeah.
Do you think such love stories exist in today's times as well?
Yes, they definitely do.
Has it ever happened with you?
I don't know. I don't think that you can compare one love story to another love story. Do I believe in love stories in the way that we show in the movies? Of course, I do. I think every woman, at least, is very, very romantic at heart in that sense. And somewhere we are influenced by the movies that we watch. And whether it's Raj Kapoor and Nargis, whether it's Amit ji and Rekha ji, whether it's Kajol and Shah Rukh, whether it's Ranbir and Deepika, I think that somewhere or the other in the love stories that we watch, we are influenced. So I think I would put it like that.
But if at all there comes a point where you have to sacrifice everything for your lover, would you do it?
I don't know. I think it would be unfair to say just yes or just say no. I think it depends on the situation at that point. I think there's so many various factors that come into everything that you do. For example, I could also say that if the man truly, truly loves me, then he can also, look at my happiness and allow me to do what I want to do. So I think it's not a it's not a one sort of yes or no sort of question. I think there's a lot of factors that come. First of all, love is not a one. I don't think it's for a relationship to be successful. Let's not say love, but I think for a relationship to be successful, I think there has to be equal contribution from both parties. So yeah, it's a slightly more layered question, which is probably not just a yes or no answer. Whatever you want to make of it.